Gulmarg is 9 kilometers away. So let's try to cover as much distance as possible. We still have to get to the sunset point, which is like 3 to 4 kilometers before Gulmarg. So if we get to sunset point, that could still be a win. Wow, it's beautiful and it's way cooler here. We are nearing the sunset point, but we have another problem now. It's not very clear. The sky is quite cloudy. I don't think we are gonna get to see a sunset. We still have 9 minutes and I think we can make it in 9 minutes. The road is not ideal, it's very windy and there are a lot of potholes, but still I think we can make it. So all of these are mostly pine forests with some cedar or deodar in local language. Mostly pine, which is also known as kayur in Kashmiri. And this is also a wildlife sanctuary, by the way. One of the few in Kashmir. I guess there are only 4 or 5 in Kashmir, and Gulmarg Wildlife Sanctuary is one of them. My God, what a view! This is what we are here for. These amazing roads and the cool breezes. This was open a few years ago, but now it's not. You could trek up to Gulmarg or Dhanwasa from there a few years ago. Oh man, we can already see a ton of flowers. These are wild daisies. I need to zip up my jacket. It's getting a bit chilly. Over. Let's go. We have one more hairpin bend and then we'll have the Zigmore, which is also the sunset point. Here it is a 180-degree turn. Whoa! Oh my God, so many daisies. are almost there. A few more curves and we would be there. The light is perfect. I hope it's capturing all the colors. So that was Zigmore. Oh, wildcat! Actually, that was Zigmore. We couldn't really get in time for the sunset, and even if we did, it was not. It was partially cloudy sky, so wouldn't have been able to see much. Now we are headed to Gulmarg. We're almost there. This is the last stretch. There you go. There it is. The meadow of flowers. Gulmarg. A beautiful, beautiful place, eh? So this was a hasted attempt, but I'm going to do another Gulmarg video where I'll explore all the places here, from the temple to the church and everything else that has